Hello, if you have a concept theme on your Shopify store and you are experiencing issue displaying multiple variant images, then this video is for you. Let me show you how this problem looks like on the real store. So this is a real store where you can see this variant image issue. So this store has multiple colors, and for each color they have multiple images. But whenever we are clicking on one of the colors here, we see only the first image is changing. This is the issue, because what we actually want to see when we are clicking on black, for example, we want to see only black images. And this is not a nice experience, user experience for your customers. So let me show you how, after solving this problem, how it will look like. So this is other version where this problem is fixed, and you can see that whenever we are clicking on color, like we clicked on gold and we see only gold images here, we clicked on black and we see only black images here, and this creates a great customer experience, great user experience. So let me show you another example. This is also another real store that you can see that it's displaying all the colors at once at the moment. Whatever color I'm clicking, nothing is actually changing. So it's really confusing for customers to see all the images. And let me show you the version where this problem is fixed. So here you can see whatever color customers are clicking, images are changing, and we see only relevant variant images. And this creates a great user experience because your customers actually see what they are going to buy, and the product page looks much more cleaner. They don't have to be distracted with all the images. And imagine someone is landing from your ads on this product. They like this color, they clicked on these ads, and they land on your variant image page, and then they will see exactly a page like this. They don't have to see all the other colors to be distracted with this version. Like, this is basically conversion killer, and having it like this is much more better for your product pages, and it also better for decreasing return rates, because then they might see something different, they might be confused on what they're actually buying, and this can be an issue. So let me show you now how can we solve this problem. So first of all, this is my test store. Here I have a product with multiple colors, and then I have my images like this. And now let me show you how it looks like on my product page. So it looks exactly the same as I showed you before for customer stores that are using our solution. So as you see, only the first image is changing and other images are just staying static on the page. So now let me show you how can we solve this. To solve this, we are going to use this app called Rubik Variant Images, and I'm actually the founder and developer of this app, so I will show you how it works. So when we first install the app, we will see this screen where it will ask us to assign variant images and select first product. So I have only one product on this store, so I will select this. And then we can assign images one by one. So for example, we can assign red images here, like one by one. Then we can assign green images, I'm too lazy to do it manually. We can also use AI feature here to auto assign images, and images will be assigned by AI, and this is how it will look like. So I might prefer also to not show these lifestyle images here, because I don't have lifestyle images for all of my products. So I can also just unassign them, and then lifestyle images will be visible for all. So let me save you and show you how it works. So we are saving it. Now we just need to activate the app. Okay, I am selecting here concept theme. I clicking on enable on theme editor. And now what we see, let me show you exact screen. Okay, now we just need to click here on save button, and we can basically close this tab, and later we just can say I have done it. And now we can just go back to our product page, refresh it, and we will see only relevant images in this case, and lifestyle images as well, because I wanted to show lifestyle images with all the colors. Let's say you don't have lifestyle image for all, but you still want to show how they look like, so that's how you can show them. Yeah, this is how they will look like. And yeah, basically you can solve this problem by using Rubik Variant Images app. We are also happy to help from support if you need some help. And this app works with all modes of this theme. So on mobile mode also it works perfectly. So it will show only relevant images on mobile as well. And if you are using different versions of gallery, it still will work. So yeah, you can try it, and it's free for one product. And yeah, if you need more help, just reach out from support to us, and we are happy to help. Have a great day.